Yep, so today we gotta replace the radiator. So if you never seen how you replace a radiator, stay tuned. Okay, another update. As y'all can see, I removed quite a lot of stuff. The air box, took that stuff out. Took the fan off, unhooked the hose. So now all I gotta do is unclamp the lower hose over here, and then undo these radiator lines, and then this mud should come out. And replacing it real quick. Don't take that much time, just patience. You'll get it. And I removed the dog bones up here. So y'all stay tuned for some more info. So there's the radiator. I don't know where it's leaking at. Can't really tell, don't really care. All I know is it's leaking. So we just gonna replace the whole thing. You know what I'm saying? So let's go.